Notice I didn't play it twice. There's a big repeat sound, but I'm afraid to do it twice because it's the harder one. So anyway, first thing you should do is notice the time signature is in cut time. Cut time means we're playing not with 4 counts to measure, it's kind of felt a little faster. I won't get into that now, I'll explain that when you're at lessons. But for now, you just want to hear that groove to this song. Okay, you gotta kind of have that feel to it, so make sure you don't practice it at a tempo. Listen to this a lot so you get the idea. Alright, so box 1 is just C and G in the left hand, in the C chord, and a G augmented chord. Ooh, you wanna know what that means? Go watch a different video. C chord, G augmented. But once you figure out that weird chord, that first box is pretty easy. Alright, so measure 5 is where the second box starts, and it's where we do this. I would do this right hand first because you're going to have a lot of weird spacing. If you notice my fingers skip a lot in there, it's a 4th. And then another skip here. So it's a big C chord. That's where your hand goes at first. So you should try to figure that out before you start playing that. Then our 3 moves to A. And then your and your hand stays there for pretty much the rest of the time. To C. Okay, so the beginning, the 2's on C, then it moves to G, zoom in, and then moves to C. I would circle those numbers and letters because that's going to be a big key. So 2 on C, 2 on G, 2 on C. If you get that, that's the key to all that stuff. The left hand just plays the C chord. C, E, G. Okay, box 3, this is where box 3 is, right where we stopped, and that's going to be the tricky one. To the next page, okay? So we start on that chord, and we use that line, and then we jump up to this chord. If you get that, then you pretty much have that. So try that right hand, and then you're at your left hand, it's an A flat chord, and it moves a little bit there. Okay, that's box 3. When we get to the second page, it's box 4, and it's the same thing as the second phrase, that box 2. So it's this, but in a new key. So you just have to work out the notes and the fingering, but everything else is the same groove. Alright, and then we go to box 5, it's this. So I would actually do the left hand first in this one. It's got the B minor chord, and then it changes there a little bit. So the first 2 measures are different. And then it goes to this. Okay, so we have a crossover there at the end. So that's the left hand. The right hand goes. And then the box 6 is the same as the beginning. Okay? Peter and the Wolf, it's a hard one. Good luck.